friends, I hope you're having a wonderful week. I was sent another product from Sanmersen company for my kids. And so far I have not had a product from them that I have disliked. So I'm sure they won't disappoint with this either. This is the Sanmersen water drawing mat for kids. So, the bag to keep it all in. Little drawstring. A lot of stuff here. Look, it actually comes with quite a few parts here. Some stencils. I apologize for the background noise. We live not too far from the hospital. Letters. Shapes. And more letters. That's cool. And you got all these little doodads here. Looks like some stamps. One's a duck stamp. A sheep. And a cow. It's cute. And these little suction deals. Looks like there's 4 of them here. We'll see what those are for in a minute. And this little roller thing. It's pretty cool. Has different designs on it. It's a car. A little cat face. A bunny face. Butterfly. Music notes and an apple. And a little fish. And then got these magic water pens. There's 2 of those. And then you have a little smaller one here. Another smaller one. And water doodle. It's like a little brush type of deal. There's 2 of those. Okay. So we've got this little deal. Instruction booklet for painting. The instructions for use is to take magic water pen here and twist it off. And it actually tells you on the little thing to fill it with water. So I have some water here. Okay, filled it with water and pop that back on. Whoops, that's some water in there. I think that's okay, like it's meant to be wet. Oh, look at that. Okay, so now it's back on. You can start drawing. Cool. So, you can see here. That's cool. So, let's see, here's a letter here. As you can see, since I spilled water on here, you can see the numbers there. So you've got the letters start from A and go all the way around to the other edge right there. And then your numbers from 1 through 10 go along the bottom here. And it's neat because it has the capital letter and the lowercase letter on here. And then there's all these different patterns. Depending on where you're drawing, it picks up whatever color is associated with it in the fabric. So it's really cool. It doesn't matter which one of these you use. It doesn't affect the color. The color's like in the fabric. So let's see here. I think you just get this wet. You don't want too much water on there. There we go, because it kind of like runs a little bit. But once you get some of the extra drip off, it makes them perfect. Perfect little cow right there. And then you've got your roller. You get it wet. You can see the colors different. They're divided in sections. So you got your blue there, your red here, your green here. It looks like this is blue too. So this whole top is blue. And it's like an ocean theme. This is really cool, guys. I recommend this. This does not disappoint. So I am going to let this kind of dry so that the coloring will go away. Because as you can see, my stamps over here and the letters are already going away because it's drying. And then you'll have a clean slate for the next time you want to color. So after this dries a bit, I'm going to bring my boys out and I'm going to let them try this out and see what they think. So I went ahead and filled up all of these little pens and stuff with water. And something really cool that I figured out in the meantime that I want to share with you is what these suction things are for. So there's these little holes right here in the corner, and you can just pop this right in there, and it's all the way around. So you've got four of them, and you can put these suctions in. So you could literally suction it to a wall somewhere, or suction it to some kind of surface just so that your kids are less likely to move it around. So that's pretty cool. This could almost be a bathtub toy. Okay, so I went ahead and filled up the boys' pens.
Yeah.
You see what it does? See if they can figure this out on their own.
Water.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Hope you got to do it on this part.
Ah! What? A white. White.
No, that's yellow.
Yellow. Yellow. What's this on this? Oh wait, got it.
All right, Thomas, look. You're gonna put this in the water. All right, take it.
Get it.
Come here, babe. Let me show you. Like this. See?
Water?
You gotta get a little more wet here.
Get that one.
Look at that.
I'll get it.
You wanna try it?
I'll get that one. I want one. And now wet.
Watch this. You see the stamp? Get it wet. Stamp.
Get that one.
Look, it's a sheep. See the sheep?
Get that one. And get that one.
Oh, on the white part.
Wait for it.
Yeah, it's got to be on this, on the middle.
The middle.
There you go.
That.
What's that?
So evil.
It's a cow.
Cow. Give one more cow.
Look, watch this. Watch this. Ooh, look. Ooh, look. It's a fishy back there. And draw the fishy.
My beak.
Is that cool?
But.
Here, Jamison, color. Color.
Get that one. The water. Go on, Bart.
Yeah.
More. Get water. Good, right?
No, on the white part.
Oh.
See, look, the letters. And color the letters. They're hiding behind.
Water. The white part.
There.
Yellow. White.
Here, look. Do the color.
Michael.
Do the color.
One down one. One get that one.
See, pretty. Show you how to use it? Look, 3.
3. Good. And the water. Sip it. Key. 4. Yellow. Did you get it? Peter.
Cool. Good job, guys.
Oh no. No.
Color all the pretty stuff. You got pretty stuff under there. See all the plants in the ocean? And starfish.
Dad. You're right. I'm do that one. I done. Get it. That one. What?
Dada figured out that that's for the stamp pad over here. So you just get that wet. I've been wondering what that thing was for. There we go.
You want to use this instead of dipping it in water because it'll bleed. If you sit here and do this, it creates not what you want.
It's cool.
Two.
I'll stamp it.
Stamp right here, baby.
Here.
Thomas, right here.
This. Come here.
Yeah.
That's not white. That's white.
There, look, you made a cow.
Hun.
You see the sea turtle? And the fishy? And the starfish? Yeah. Stamp on that. Put it over here. Right there. Yeah.
Go.
Good job.
Got me. Got me. And now gonna me.
It's just water, baby.
Oh, got me.
It's just water.
Say, Daddy, no.
I know.
Daddy, no.
One,
The nice thing about this is there's virtually no mess because it's all water. So you can't draw on anything. This won't transfer to walls or anything like that if they get a hold of one of these markers with water in it. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video.